Go ahead, sir.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Colonel Noel De Toyato, retired Reserve Brigade Commander po ng 1503rd Ready Reserve Infantry Brigade. At ang mga kasama ko po, ang aming Presidente ng Laang Kawal ng Pilipinas, si Bob Almario, Lieutenant Colonel, who was called to active duty during the Marawi siege as a technical expert. At si Lieutenant Colonel Janet Arceo, Battalion Commander of Ready Reserve Infantry Battalion based in Laguna. To our brave men and women in the Reserve Force, Laang Kawal ng Pilipinas Party List is running to ensure that your dedication and service to our nation are fully recognized and supported. As your voice in Congress, we will fight for better benefits, training, and opportunities for all reservists and ensure that we stand strong in our commitment to national security. Together, let's strengthen our country and secure a better future for those who serve. We will also be the voice of all our regular soldiers in the active service, because when they retire, they become members of the Reserve Force. We will entice all able-bodied Filipinos to join us in the Reserve Force. Together, we will be the formidable total force to confront not only on matters of security, but most of all, during calamities. Our Laang Kawal Party List will make sure that all these benefits and support will be legislated to ensure continuity and consistency. For this, we are humbly offering Laang Kawal ng Pilipinas ang party list na magiging boses ng reservists sa Congress. Marami pong salamat.
Salamat po. Question po? Any question? Wala pong gusto mag-question. Sige po.
Maraming salamat.
Sa gitna na lang, ma'am, sir. Sherry.